Hello everyone. After orchids finish blooming, they can become weaker and may dry out if not cared for properly. Today, I'll show you how to help revive these orchids using garlic and fresh milk. As you can see, this orchid has dry, damaged roots and yellow, wrinkled leaves after blooming. Now I'll begin the recovery process.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.
The root ball is dry and depleted, lacking nutrients and moisture, and may be affected by fungal issues. At this stage, I remove all rotten, dry, and damaged roots from the orchid. Removing all rotting roots helps prevent the spread of fungal disease in weak orchids. It also encourages the growth of new, healthy roots and creates better conditions for faster recovery and stable development.
Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this orchid rescue, please subscribe for more simple growing ideas.
Don't hesitate to remove damaged leaves and stems. This helps prevent the spread of disease and allows the plant to focus its energy on developing new roots and shoots. After removing all rotten roots and unnecessary parts, I use a garlic and water mixture to soak the orchid for recovery. Garlic water has natural antibacterial properties that can help reduce fungal issues, protect cut surfaces after treatment, and support weak orchids in recovery. It may also encourage the growth of stronger new roots. To help orchids grow healthy and stable, I usually use pine bark as the planting medium. I use the remaining garlic solution to soak the pine bark, helping reduce unwanted microbes and fungi before using it as a growing medium. While the orchid is soaking in the garlic solution, I clean and prepare the planting pot. After soaking in the garlic solution for 30 minutes, the orchid is cleaner and better protected from harmful microbes. At this point, we can plant it into a new pot.
We appreciate your support on this orchid recovery journey. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more easy tips.
Fresh milk can provide light nutrients and beneficial microbes that support the growing medium. It may help weak orchids recover, encourage root development, and promote greener, healthier leaves. That's why I use it to water newly planted orchids. After 7 days, the orchid has developed new roots and is becoming healthier. At this stage, we can maintain proper moisture by gently misting the plant. Amazing. After just 1 month of recovery, the orchid is healthy again and getting ready to bloom, with strong roots and vibrant green leaves. At this stage, I continue using fresh milk as part of the care routine to support the orchid's healthy growth. I dilute fresh milk with water at a suitable ratio, then soak the entire orchid pot. I also gently clean the leaves and stems to help the plant absorb moisture and nutrients for better growth.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.